I remember house when it was the spiritual thing. It was the spiritual thing.
Hello, guys, and this is the King Davao, and welcome to my podcast. Hello, and today's episode, we are gonna talk about discrimination among Dabawenyos. Okay, so as we all know, guys, I'm living here in Davao City. I am a pure Dabawenyo. Dito ako pinanganak. And there are some issues regarding discrimination sa mga Davawenyos, no? Or people who's coming from here in Davao City. There's a lot of cases that showing our fellow Mindanaon how they treat people from Davao City. And one of those are, yun nga, there's a certain news that a certain Davaoenyo was not being hindi pinapasok sa isang mall because yung ID niya was Davao City, came from Davao City, so hindi siya pinapasok. And the other one, it was another news from other place. Hindi ko lang i-mention, guys, ha. Sa isa namang public market somewhere here in Mindanao, but not in Davao City. Hindi rin siya pinapasok. And parang doon sa may gilid daw, parang tinataboy siya ng mga vendors, no? Because yun nga, nalaman nila that he came from Davao City. Okay? And even in other places na, or people, kahit hindi sila Davaoenyo, no? Kumbaga, nagtatrabaho sila dito sa Davao City and naabutan sila ng lockdown, hindi sila nakauwi. Then, ngayon, umuwi na sila, yun. They've been discriminated by their neighbors, by even their family. So, because nga galing sila ng Davao City. And meron nga isang recent video na medyo medyo nakakapanghina. Because ito naman, iba namang story dito. They came from other place. Then, pumasok sila dito sa Davao. So, nandito na sila sa Davao. Driving. Then, I guess, siguro kuya niya or father niya, I don't know. Narinig ko was, he said that, "Yay! Nandito na tayo sa Davao City, the home of COVID-19. Oh, 'di ba? So, Davao City right now is named or quote as a home of COVID-19. 'Di ba? Napaka medyo nakakapanghina, or you if you are a Davaoenyo, you will really feel discriminated, no, by those words. And yung ano pa nga dito, yung cons pa nito is because we don't know when it will stop, no? When it will end itong COVID-19 na to. 'Di ba? Hindi pa natin alam. It's still unknown. It's still under the dark, this kind of virus. So I hope, guys, someday mawala na yung ganitong klaseng mindset. I can't blame them, of course, because nasa ibang lugar sila. But discrimination it's hindi siya nararapat, no, sa isang community. We should not exercise that kind of character. Okay, I hope in the future this will end and sama-sama tayo. We explore, sama-sama tayo, we travel, we unite and we respect each other, and someday we explore Mindanao together. I'm hoping and I'm praying for that. So, yun lang guys, and this is our podcast, and this is the King Davao. We are now signing off.